Welcome to 41 Celebrity Greens Way in Swan Lake Village. This bright and sunny Meadowlark bungalow with a loft is located in the heart of Swan Lake, with lots of visitor parking nearby. It's the perfect entry-level home into Swan Lake. Flooded with natural light and freshly painted, it offers complete turnkey living for a downsizer looking for easy one-level living with everything you need on the main floor, plus a bonus loft. And if you're looking for even more space, an unfinished basement ready to become a home theater, rec room, or whatever you'd like it to be. And in Swan Lake, you get the easy condo lifestyle with the space of a house. Management takes care of the exterior while you just enjoy a vibrant village with friendly neighbors, 24-hour gatehouse security, and resort-inspired amenities. This 1,550 square foot Meadowlark bungalow model remains a perennial favorite. As you come up the front walk, there's a quiet patio area perfect for sitting out in the sunshine and chatting with your neighbors. Moving inside, you're greeted by a front foyer with ceramic flooring, coffered ceiling, pot lights, front hall closet, and convenient access to the garage. This leads through to an open-concept, spacious living, dining, and sunroom area with cozy gas fireplace, vaulted ceilings, and skylight. The dining room has a pass-through to the kitchen for seamless entertaining. The combined living room and sunroom has a walkout to the sunny back deck. The eat-in kitchen has ceramic flooring, a skylight, mirrored backsplash with under-cabinet lighting, ample counter and cabinet space, and a large pantry. The primary bedroom overlooks the back of the house, has 2 double closets, and has a 3-piece ensuite washroom with updated glass shower stall. The second bedroom is located at the front of the house for privacy. This room has laminate floors and a closet. It's located close to a second private washroom, which is where you'll find the convenient laundry area. The second level is the bonus loft area. With a 4-piece ensuite washroom, this area is the perfect guest room, or if you prefer, it also makes a great family room. There are also 2 double closets. The basement is unfinished, perfect for your storage or your dream rec room project. The back deck is your private oasis all summer long, complete with a barbecue hookup and a mechanized awning for shade. The south exposure makes it bright all day, surrounded by leafy trees and a privacy screen, with nothing but the sound of the birds or the wind in the leaves as you while away a sunny afternoon. Swan Lake is one of the GTA's most popular gated communities. This gated community of over 650 homes has no age limit and offers 24-hour security, a vibrant social scene, and fabulous amenities. Maintenance fees cover the care of the exterior of your home for carefree condo living and also give you access to the 16,000 square foot Swan Club with a gorgeous indoor pool, sauna, as well as a fitness center with gym and exercise area, a billiards room, a library, a huge party and meeting area, shuffleboard, and a beautiful outdoor lounge and terrace with barbecues overlooking the pond. There are 3 satellite clubhouses in Swan Lake, and all of them have outdoor pools and tennis courts and are rentable for your use. There are nature trails surrounding the pond and walking trails throughout the village. Swan Lake is ideally located close to the GO Transit station, Markham Stouffville Hospital, Markham Main Street shops and restaurants, large grocery and pharmacy centers, Markville Mall, and has easy access to the 407. For more information about this very special home, call or text us at 416-888-5640, email us at info@walkerparker.ca, or visit us online at www.walkerparker.ca.